Come along, let's explore this world so strong. Mountains high and oceans deep, forests wide where creatures sleep. Every tree and every stream holds a secret, holds a dream. Come with me, take my hand, see the wonders of the land. Morning sun peeks through the trees, dancing leaves in the gentle breeze. Butterflies flutter, bees will hum, nature's song has just begun. Rainbow arches in the sky, birds above begin to fly. Clouds go drifting soft and white, day awakens with the light. Oh, the wonders of nature, so much beauty to behold. Rivers flowing, flowers glowing, stories of the earth unfold. Every creature, every color, every whisper in the air, the wonders of nature are everywhere. In the meadow, deer will play, bumblebees buzz all the day. Frogs will croak near the stream, dragonflies in sunlight gleam. Snowy peaks, the desert sand, hidden caves beneath the land. Coral reefs beneath the sea, teeming life for all to see. Oh, the wonders of nature, so much beauty to behold. Rivers flowing, flowers glowing, stories of the earth unfold. Every creature, every color, every whisper in the air, the wonders of nature are everywhere. Listen close to the wind that blows, smell the flowers, feel them grow. Hear the rustle in the leaves, nature's magic if you believe. Sunset paints the sky so bright, stars appear to light the night. Owl will hoot and fox will creep, nature softly falls to sleep. Moon will rise, the world turns slow, dreaming lands begin to glow. From the tiniest bug to the tallest tree, nature's wonders call to me. Oh, the wonders of nature, so much beauty to behold. Rivers flowing, flowers glowing, stories of the earth unfold. Every creature, every color, every whisper in the air, the wonders of nature. So remember when you roam, nature is our precious home. Take care of it, you will see its wonders shine eternally.